Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. Welcome back to another video. So today we are going to learn how we create a custom views or a custom images that we can use in multiple screens or our the project or on our multiple projects. So let's start with a new project. I already created one. So here you can see I am using an image and text on multiple tab bar views. So I am just doing again and again. Let's creating the image and creating the text on every tab item. So let's say if we want to create that tab bar item custom, and we can use that in every tab items. So how can we do that? Let's start with a new item. So I am going to create a new file, which is a new SwiftUI file, and going to create item view. Okay, so here you can see we have a hello world text. We just have to remove that and just copy that one thing and paste it here, item view. Okay, so here you can see we have the item view, which have an image and a text view. Okay, so here you can see it's showing perfectly fine. So how can we use that instead of every uh, item? We just need to use this item view, but as you can see it's we can use it once. Let's say if we can use this way, like item view. Okay, it's perfectly showing for home view, but if we can just copy and paste it here, what will happen? So here you can see it's showing a home screen there as well. What if we need a custom for every view? What we have to do with that? So let's just remove that for now. And instead of this, we just need a two variables, var image name, which is string, and var item name, which is also a string variable. Okay, so for that we have to add it here as well, like image name house and item name is home. It's just for the preview. If we are not pausing anything, it's just showing the that thing. So what if we need a custom for that? So instead of this image name, we just need image name, and instead of this home, we use item name. Okay, let's move to our screen. So here you can see we have an error for that. So what we will pause for that, let's just call the item view with the image name, which is this one, house, and the other thing, which is this one, item name home. We just remove that thing, and here you can see after that it's showing perfectly fine. So we can use that as well. For this we use image name, which is back, and a text, which is this one. So we can remove that thing. So you can see it's showing perfectly fine. And for the last, we also use item view with image name and item name. and we also remove that thing as well. So now you can see everything is showing perfectly fine, and as you can see, it's showing every item with that thing instead of just calling image and just text every time. So what are the benefit of that thing? Let's say if we want to create a title for every screen, let's say if we want to create any button for a specific application, let's say we have that application and we want to use a button on the complete project. So instead of creating button every time, we just have to use a custom thing, and we can create a custom buttons, a custom images, or a custom view or item view like this, and we can use this in the whole projects. So hope you learn a new thing in this video, and that's all for today. Hope you learn something new. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe our channel for more relevant video, and comment down below if you need any relevant topic related to iOS or SwiftUI. We will create a new video relevant to that topic. Thanks for watching and happy coding.